afternoon. Well, it was a salad. I'm standing here and saying something over Ringo. But Ringo, you was so laughs. And I'm trying to try to remember those laughs so it keeps me going. And one of those laughs is Ringo and Babes came here when I moved the first leaf to erect this building. And they never leave. So Ringo, male, Babes, female, they decided to be a couple. So I know dogs are like young now. Babes got pregnant. Ringo was so long with Babes during her pregnancy. Ringo is brown and spotty. When Babes had the puppies, it was about 7 of them. Pure black puppy, black like jet. I watched Ringo walk over to those puppies, look at every one of them, and just move and start fight Babes. Literally, seriously. And none of the puppies them couldn't come near him. In back of the money. And I know that. So this is a message to the driver who hit Ringo. Break his back. I bought him a wheelchair. Didn't make it. Rest in peace, Ringo.